Hi, first graders. Welcome back. I loved all of your costumes yesterday. Today in reading, we are going to continue our work on our most magnificent thing. Today, we are going to be focusing our attention on the tools and the materials we need to build our magnificent thing. Let's look at our learning target for today. It says we are going to learn to build a magnificent thing. That's what we've been doing this whole week. I am successful when I can record the tools and materials that I need to build my most magnificent thing. You are not working in a group, so don't worry about that. Okay, friends, today we are going to continue our plan on building our most magnificent things. We're going to continue by talking about that habit of initiative. What does it mean to start actually building and getting the things that I need? I have to see what I need to do and I just have to do it. We're going to be using that initiative. What does it mean to use initiative? Thinking of new ideas and asking questions. So I want to focus your attention on my magnificent thing. I am going to be creating a pencil holder. So you can see here that my pencil holder is going to be made out of what materials might I need? Well, I have been talking that some of the materials I'm going to use, these are actually just paper rolls. This is something that I have in my house right over here. So I want to get something that I already have, something like a paper roll. So these here are paper rolls. So those are the materials I would use. You can also see that I've labeled them sharp and unsharp. So as you're thinking of your magnificent thing, what materials might you need to create that? What labels have you already used? So let's look at maybe some other ideas, okay? So we have a homework bin, or for you, because we're remote students, we can just have a work bin, maybe a completed and an uncompleted of the work that you still need to do. A good example of that could be maybe you need to put all of your work, like the problem sets for math. Maybe you need a bin for math, and so you can create a bin. Or we can see here, we have a high frequency word mobile. So this is just the ability to take my high frequency words anywhere. We have a student work sign. Look at our student work. Maybe you want to display all of your work somewhere in your house or in your room. Bathroom passes. Maybe instead of having a bathroom pass at the school, you can have a bathroom pass and you stick it on your door and it can say occupied or unoccupied, right? Mail bin, a mail bin, and I'm looking right down here. This could be maybe where you are organizing your papers. And then, of course, we have the pencil holder, which is the magnificent thing I'm going to be creating. So now we're going to be working towards the planning part of our most magnificent thing. This is when we are taking that initiative. I see what needs to be done, and now I need to do it. So if I'm looking at this page here, and you friends also have this page in your packets that I sent home. On page 6, if I were doing my most magnificent thing and I'm working on page 6, I'm going to ask myself what materials I need to make this pencil holder. Okay, so I want us to I'm going to close my eyes. Okay, what do I need to bring to make this pencil holder? I need something to put the pencils in, like a toilet paper roll. Okay, so I'm going to have toilet paper roll. I'm going to need paper. I need the paper so that way I can start labeling things. And so the paper will be what I write on. And then markers, that's what I'm going to use to make my handwriting nice and big and large, is I'm going to use markers. So then here, materials I would use, I would say, and I would write it right here. I would write down toilet paper rolls. The next line, paper. The next line, markers. You can use these labels here to help you with spelling. This says paper, string, markers, and stencils. So first graders, today I want you to just close your eyes. What is your most magnificent thing? Okay, close your eyes and I want you to think of that. Then I want you to name it. My magnificent thing is a what? What is it? Then I want you to take that idea and you're going to put it right here. My magnificent thing is and I would put a pencil holder. That's what my magnificent thing is. So you're going to write whatever your magnificent thing is on this line. Tools I can use. When you close your eyes and you visualize what you're going to make, what do you see that you need in order to make that? Okay. So you're going to list the tools that you're going to use here and then the materials you might need. So the tools means what would I need to do with the materials? Okay. So for example, with mine, with my pencil holder, I have my paper, I have my toilet paper rolls, and I have markers, right? Those are the materials or the things that I need. But the tools that are going to help me create this, how am I going to get the paper on the toilet paper roll? I might tape it or I might glue it. So that is a tool that I would use to get my materials on or to create that magnificent thing. So today, you are going to write down what your magnificent thing is on page 5. You're going to tell me the tools that you need in order to make this most magnificent thing. Then on page 6, you're going to list the actual materials that you would need for your magnificent thing. If you have your materials at home right now, I want you to snap a picture of it and upload it to Seesaw. Okay? I want you to fill out this paper. And if you can and you have the tools right next to you, go ahead and take a picture and upload it on Seesaw. And then describe, what do you have? And I can't wait to hear what you have. And look forward to seeing all of you tomorrow. Looks like I'm losing my voice, but I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to lead, love, and learn.